The victim side has petitioned the Supreme Court accusing Ashish Mishra, the main accused in the 2021 Lakhimpur-Kheri violence, of threatening witnesses. In response, the Supreme Court, led by Justice Suryakant and Ujjwal Bhuiyan, has given Mishra 4 weeks to address the allegations via an affidavit. Senior advocate Sanatan Dharma, representing Mishra, denied the claims, suggesting they were made for external audience and not based on valid evidence. The 2021 violence resulted in 8 deaths, with Mishra identified as the prime accused in the SIT's charge sheet. He was granted conditional bail by the Supreme Court on July 22, 2022, under the stipulation that he remain in Lucknow and avoid influencing the trial, with a warning that any breach could lead to a bail cancellation. The Delhi High Court dismissed a petition by the Sanatan Hindu Seva Sangh Trust seeking the formation of a Sanatan Dharma Raksha board to protect the rights and customs of Sanatan Dharma. Chief Justice Manmohan clarified that the court cannot make policy decisions. The petition claimed that Sanatan Dharma followers face attacks from other religious groups and lack a dedicated protective institution. Although the petitioner had previously approached the government on this matter, they received no response, leading to the court filing, which was ultimately rejected. The Supreme Court heard the Jharkhand government's plea challenging the High Court's decision to quash an FIR against BJP MPs Nishikant Dubey, Manoj Tiwari, and others in the Deoghar airport case. The FIR alleged that the MPs pressured air traffic control to permit a private plane to fly, violating security rules. A bench of Justice Abhay S. Oka and Augustine George Meshi questioned whether the investigation could proceed without prior permission under the Aircraft Amendment Act 2020. The state argued that such permission is required only when filing a complaint, not during the investigation. The court asked for relevant judgments to support this claim. The hearing was adjourned to December 18th, with both parties directed to submit applicable case law. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has upheld the lands recorded as mosque or cemeteries in government records must be preserved as Waqf property, even if unused for years. This ruling came while dismissing a petition related to land in Budho Pandher village, Kapurthala, donated by Maharaja Kapurthala in 1922 and later registered under the Gram Panchayat post petition. The Waqf board contended that the land listed as a cemetery in revenue records should remain Waqf property. The court, led by Justice Suresh Thakur and Sudipti Sharma, supported the Waqf board's stance, rejecting the Gram Panchayat's claim. The Lucknow ATS Special Court has sentenced Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist Shahnawaz Ahmad Teli and Aqib Ahmad Malik to 7 years in prison and fined them Rs 30,000 each. Residents of Jammu and Kashmir, the two were arrested on February 20, 2029 with pistols, ammunition and grenades. They were involved in radicalizing youth and recruiting them for the group to carry out attacks in India. Evidence also showed they were supplying weapons and funds for terrorist activities.